No one likes a tired lawn. You know the type. Yellow patches, thinning grass, and overall just looking sad. If this sounds like your lawn, don't worry, we can help. Introducing our lawn tune-up package. For one low price, you'll get lawn aeration, high-quality grass seed, premium starter fertilizer, and all the benefits that come with a healthy lawn. Lawn care doesn't have to be expensive. Get great value with our tune-up package. Tune up your lawn in the spring or fall for optimal results. You'll save time and money in the long run. We start with core lawn aeration, designed to improve air to the roots and promote deeper root growth. This will save on your watering bill and stimulate beneficial microorganisms. You'll love the results. Our mix of seeds creates a lush, thick, healthy lawn. Overseeding helps your lawn look thicker, more vibrant, and healthy. We use a premium starter fertilizer that promotes deep root growth for good color and healthy growth in your new seedlings. For best results, we recommend early spring or late fall. In as little as 2 weeks, you could have a beautiful, vibrant lawn that's the envy of the neighborhood. Don't wait. Contact us today and ask about our lawn tune-up package.